everyone and welcome back. So I have for you today my first Fashionphile unboxing because it's my first Fashionphile purchase. But first up, I want to include as part of this video an item that I forgot to include in my last video, and that was revealing items that I've never revealed before on my channel because I didn't have a channel. But you can check out the video, I'll link it down below, I'll put it up here. So anyway, this item is a Louis Vuitton item. It was also bought in, it came from Japan, from the same reseller that I like to use. So this is the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch is what the description says, and of course it's vintage. You can see it's a little, well, I guess it's not too bad. I think the original color has stayed the same. I mean, the canvas has been pretty good and in good shape, and yeah, I think this is when Louis Vuitton were really making the canvases, the canvas items, I think, better, from what other YouTubers have said, that the quality has gone down, and well, but so this is the one. It measures 11 inches by 7 inches by 3-inch depth. And it's quite full right now because I only use this when I travel, and it's a great pouch to have. So let me show you what's inside. Well, the inside, I'm gonna dump whatever I have in here now because it's pretty full, but you can tell it's a nice travel pouch because it has a lot of it can carry a lot of things, and it also has one of those wipeable interior lining. Let me show you guys, okay? First, let me show you, it's a little tarnished here, but I don't know if you can see. It's gold hardware. The zipper works great. Yeah. Just zipper. Okay. Let me dump all this stuff in here. Look at all that. I think I got everything. Alright, so let me show you the interior. As you can see, it's very roomy. It has that wipeable interior, so if you spill like, I don't know, liquid foundation or accidentally put some kind of lipstick mark, it is wipeable. And as you can see, it has an area where there are elastic, whatchamacallit, holders. So this is great for perfume, if you like to, you know, anything liquid foundation. So it kind of stays still and very secure. And it has a pocket in the side pocket there to put other things. So yeah, it's really, I tried to clean it as much as I can. You know, again, this was pre-loved, but the nice thing about this is that it is wipeable, and you can use, you know, mild soap and water to really get some of the stubborn stains out. But I mean, you know, I cleaned it, I sanitized it, obviously inside and out, so you know, I'm comfortable with that. And this is the label that it came with. Here's the label here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully I'm focusing well into the camera. And there. So this is the GM size in the monogram print. I believe this style of toiletry pouch also comes in the damier ebene, which I wish, you know, at the time I bought this was available, but it wasn't, and I wanted to get my hands on it because it was one of those times where, you know, all the toiletry stuff, the cosmetic cases, these things, even like the pre-loved stuff was like selling out fast. So I was able to really grab my hands on this, and I'm happy about it because you know, it's one of those things that is so hard to find or hard to get your hands on. Plus I got it for such a good price. I think I only got it for like maybe $250, $300, I think. So anyway, so this is what this is, and let's go and get to the Fashionphile unboxing. Okay, so here's the box. Fashionphile. I was excited because I know with Fashionphile They include a couple cute little freebies, like a nail file, I believe. Hopefully they're still doing that. And let me show you what I got. Obviously this is vintage, pre-loved, and a lot of the Fashionphile items are usually pre-loved as well. Some of them are new though, so it's kind of nice to kind of have a selection of pre-loved and new. And of course the pre-loved items are the ones that I like to look at first, not only for the savings, but because of some designs are no longer available, discontinued, you know, luxury items that are kind of hard to find or hard to get your hands on. So Fashionphile is a great resource for that. What's this? Okay. Cute little pink and gray confetti Fashionphile. Okay, look how cute. Nice little welcome note here and some catalog. Oh, is this a calendar? Yay! I need a calendar so badly. You don't find calendars anymore with all that stuff going on. So I'm so happy. Oh, this is wonderful. Perfect, perfect. Thank you, Fashionphile. Okay. Oh, look how beautiful. It even has, of course, their catalog of, look at that. Oh, these are nice. Handbags. Oh, I'm gonna keep this. I'm not gonna toss it out or in the recycling bin at the end of the year. I'm gonna definitely keep this keepsake. Awesome. And this is, looks like, oh, there's more confetti. How sweet. Whoa. Oh, that's so cool. And this is, oh, this is the receipt. Thank you card with the receipt. Oh, that's so sweet. So thankful. Very nice, very nice. And I'll share with you how much I paid for it after I show you what I got. So this item was actually not on my list. Again, I think with me and with, you know, a lot of people, some of the items are not on your wish list, you know, as far as luxury items or even just items in general. The items that you get as either whatchamacallit, that are impulse buys, or you really weren't looking but you just happened to look on the website or something, or you clicked on an email and you're like, oh my god, I need to have it. And this is one of those items that I was like, oh cool, you know. Alright, here it is. More stuff. And the nice thing about this item is that it came with a box, original box and dust bag. So even better. Used is the new. That's right. Confetti. Alright. Let's see. Show you guys. Oh, suspense, suspense. Okay. Fashionphile dust bag. And Louis Vuitton. Oh my god, even has the original tie. Holy moly, this is awesome. I was not expecting a little tie. It sounds like brand new. Love it, love it. Here you go. Okay. Oh my god. What does it say here? Okay. Tell a small item. Do you know right what it is? I can tell right away. That is dust bag box. It's almost as if I went to Louis Vuitton myself and got my this wallet. So it is a wallet. It is the Zippy coin purse in the color noir in the epi leather. Look how beautiful this is. It's like brand new. See the Louis Vuitton emblem here. And it's kind of nice because now this is going to match my pochette Felicie in the same exact color and leather. I'm thinking of my, so yeah, Here it is. Let me show you. Silver hardware, Fashionphile tags. Once you remove it, it's yours. So don't remove it unless you really want it. And I'm gonna want this really. Oh, this is awesome. Here you go. Interior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pockets. Here in the middle, and we have the interior. So yeah, this is a perfect wallet. I've been really going small lately. I think 2 unboxings ago I had bought the Gigi Marmont camera bag in the size, I think it was it small, but it was actually the medium. I know. But yeah, I've been into crossbodies a lot lately because it's just so much easier just to kind of grab and go, and you know, especially with my commute and all, and just essentials. I mean, yeah, it was hard to even go from a big bag to a small bag because I felt like everything that in the big bag that I had I needed, but you know what, half of the time, or should I say 85% of the time, the stuff that I had in there I didn't really need. So going smaller with a crossbody bag is so much better because you don't really need all that other stuff that you think that you need. Okay, so here it is. Let me show you the zipper pull. Let me show you again. And yeah, this is perfect. Look how nice that zipper is. I mean, it's like brand new. There is a couple of little, I don't know what that is. Some sort of scuff marks, I guess, over here. But you know what? It's not a big deal. I'm just happy I got this wallet. Actually, it was kind of interesting when I saw this. Actually, prior to this, one of the items on my wish list was the Zippy coin purse, but in the Damier Ebene print. And I did not want to pay full price because it's just been, you know, the prices have soared so much and it's just ridiculous. So yeah, I was kind of just, you know, waiting for a while to see if I could get my hands on it. But then this popped up. I think I bought this a couple of days ago, and I was happy. So yeah, so here it is. Yeah, that's all I have for you right now. Let me see, do I get a nail file? Oh yes, I do. So they gave me a calendar and the Fashionphile nail file. Awesome. I like the money where I can see it hanging in my closet. Love it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and check out my other videos. So until next time, see you guys. Stay well and be safe. Love Travels signing off. Bye. Guys, I'm sorry I forgot to show you the receipt, because I did mention that I want to share with you guys the amount I paid. So this is come on, focus. So it actually was on sale. I think it was 30% off. Yes, it went to $330. Focus. Minus 145, tax, shipping was free, so it came out to $357 and excuse me, 64 cents. So it was even better. So here it is. And I also wanted to oh, there was another thing that I wanted to share with you guys, which I forgot. Well, the trolley pouch the size was a GM, just to, you know, information. So yeah, it's a nice size. And I'm sorry about well, me, it's really my fault. I didn't hold it close enough to the camera. But here is closer details. Come on, focus for me. There we go. Made in Paris, I think. What's this? Made in Paris. Yeah. France. Made in France. Paris, Louis Vuitton. And I know another resale site said that this is actual leather. I'm not sure about that. I've never heard of wipeable leather or washable leather. But then again, you know, they are coming up. I mean, I know some dry cleaners, they... Well, not dry cleaners. Some items are in... you can wash leather, which is kind of interesting. So here's another close-up of more of that. Let me see if this will... There we go. It's a purple. Yeah, it's a little tarnished, but you know it works fine. Here's the other one. And let me show you. I think I want to show you the zipper pull, right? And this one. I know. I'm sorry. That it didn't show before. Come on. Louis Vuitton. There we go, much better. It's made in France also, so you get extra bonus. Nice. I think from last time where I've heard that a lot of the leather pieces are still made in France because we don't have a Louis Vuitton leather facility here. I know the USA has a Louis Vuitton canvas facility. Yeah, so we can. That's why a lot of times we have stuff that we can get that are made in the US here in the States. So there you go. Anyway, just wanted to do that for you guys.